Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices edge lower as a large surprise build in US gasoline stocks and worries about the outlook for US interest rates next year outweighed easing supply concerns from a ceasefire deal between Israel and Hezbollah. Wall Street's main indexes fell on Wednesday, with the Nasdaq leading declines as technology stocks slumped ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday, while investors focused on the Federal Reserve's next move following an inline inflation reading. Tether, the issuer of USDT, the world's largest stablecoin by market capitalization, is dropping support for its Euro-pegged stablecoin, asking users to redeem holdings within 1 year. Tether has decided to discontinue support for its EURT stablecoin on all blockchains, ceasing minting of the token. The euro-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 4.2% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Upcoming economic releases on the calendar include high-impact events alongside moderate and low-impact reports. Traders and investors alike should be prepared, as any of these data points could spark changes in market dynamics and volatility. Monitoring these key data points can reveal shifts in market sentiment. Whether they align with expectations or bring surprises, these events could shape the near-term market outlook.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.